In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for beginners. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you will know how to log in, start drafting a post, connect your social accounts, and publish your first message using Hootsuite. First, log in at hootsuite.com. When you land on the site, look for the login area. Enter your credentials to access your Hootsuite dashboard. This step matters because everything you do in Hootsuite, including scheduling and posting, happens from inside your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Now you are ready to create your first post. In the top left area, click Create. You will notice a pencil icon associated with this option. That pencil icon is the signal that you are starting a draft, rather than publishing something immediately. Next, after you click Create, you should see a posting screen where Hootsuite allows you to compose new content. This is where you will prepare the message you want to share. Take a moment to confirm you are on the draft or compose view, since the options can look slightly different depending on the account layout. Now, the next step is to connect your social media accounts. Click Add Social Account. This will allow Hootsuite to link the platforms you plan to post to. When you do this, look for the list of available social networks and follow the prompts to connect each one you want to use. Connecting accounts is important because you cannot post from Hootsuite until it has permission to access your social pages. After you have added the social account, go back to the Post Composer. This is where you will write your caption. Type your caption into the text field on screen. Keep your message clear and focused, and make sure it reads well before you publish. If your platform has character limits, Hootsuite will typically help you stay within the allowed range. So pay attention to any indicators that appear while you write. With your caption ready, attach an image. Look for the option to add media, such as an upload button or an attachment control in the composer. Select the image file you want to include. This step enhances your post because images often attract more attention and make your content easier to understand at a glance. After uploading, confirm the image appears correctly in the preview area. Once the caption and image are set, you are ready to post. Click Post Now. This is the publish action that sends your content live to the social account you connected. Before clicking, quickly scan the final preview to make sure the caption and image look correct and that the right account is selected for posting. After you click Post Now, give Hootsuite a moment to finish publishing. Depending on your connection and account settings, the system may show a confirmation message or an updated status. This is a good moment to wait for the result rather than clicking again, since you want a clean publish, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to use Hootsuite for beginners. Log in, start a draft, connect your social accounts, write your caption, add an image, and post now.